Good morning. My name is Anita Payne. I teach first grade at the Mount Marion Elementary School in Saugerties. I think this is going to be a wonderful program. My students learn about pond life, wetlands, animal signs, different birds, animals, anything to do with the woods. It does meet, a program like this would meet all the New York State standards on science, on living sciences, and about adapting to their environment. Well, I think it'd be a wonderful resource at any of the seasons of the year because most of the children really don't spend time outdoors. When I was a kid, we spent a lot of our time in the woods, climbing trees, exploring, going down the ponds. Kids don't do that anymore. Last year I brought students to a different wetlands project, and the kids were just thrilled, looking for animal signs. We found signs of porcupine quills. We found animal rubbings against trees. We found a place where there had been bats living up in the rafters, and the kids found, we found turtles. The kids had a great time, even just finding an anthill in an old tree. So we had a really good time, and it's very worthwhile for the kids. They were also able to use nets and collect minnows. So I think it'd be worthwhile for the kids that if they came in the fall, they could see the signs of autumn. If they came in the winter, they could see how different life is here with the snow and the ice. And in the springtime, you could see, well, the signs of spring. And as we get into June, there'd be plenty more. I know there's a lot of animals down here, ducks, beavers, swans, fish. There's plenty for the kids to do.
Tim Farley, a principal at Mount Marion Elementary School. I'm also the principal who's in charge of the elementary science curriculum. I was approached a while back to work with the Esopus Creek Conservancy to see if we might be interested in a partnership between the school district and the Conservancy. And I couldn't be more excited about this opportunity for all of our kids in Saugerties. To give them something so close by, a beautiful natural resource to tie into the science curriculum. So we're really excited about this opportunity. We're hoping that the students will be able to utilize the different habitats that are here, the woodlands, the wetlands, and so on, different species that may be here, different kinds of wildlife, and be able to tie that into the elementary science curriculum. So we're very excited that the Conservancy was able to get so much land so close by. So we're really excited about that.
Hi, I'm Tina Van Voris. I teach 7th grade life science at Saugerties Junior High, and this is a great opportunity to be able to utilize the natural environment in my life science class. We do a leaf project every year, and a lot of kids have trouble finding leaves in their backyard, and this would give us access to many leaves and help us with the project. We have used the local resources. We have hiked the Lighthouse Trail in hopes to identify some of the local landscape and trees. We've also gone to Athens and taken field trips to be able to identify the trees there.
My name is Mitch Stevens. I'm a 9th grade earth science teacher at Saugerties High School. I'd like to see this utilized by the students, and have field trips here. I think it would be a great resource for earth science and biology. We're going to take a look around today and see what the resources actually are so that we get familiar with the property and know exactly how we can utilize it. I'm not sure exactly what we would do, but I know there's a lot of ecological variety back there. And in earth science, I really don't know how it applies to the biology standards, but in earth science, it's woven throughout the whole curriculum, environmental awareness. So you can fit it in just about anywhere.
My name is Marcia DeAngelis. I'm a 2nd grade teacher in Cahill. I'm very excited about this because I actually grew up on these trails, played back here all the time. My kids play back here, my grandkids are back here now. And I think it would be a really exciting place to bring the classroom. We do, as I said, a yearly event to the Saugerties Lighthouse, but I'm thinking this might be a nice alternative and maybe working it into something historical, finding out a little bit more about the area. I am teaching second grade, and off the top of my head, applying it to the state standards, we do a segment on Native Americans, and I'm thinking that we might be able to connect it with that in some way. Possibly finding about the Native Americans of this area and working it into the field trip in some way.
All right, Andrew Vanderpool, Saugerties High School, physics, Regents Physics, AP Physics. We're gonna check out the environment here. What we tend to think would be applicable to my curriculum would be maybe the study of waves with the Esopus down below, energy associated with the moving water, waves which also transfer energy, maybe something there, and even maybe something with the motion of the water. We'll see.
My name is Mike Cooper. I teach 7th grade life science, 8th grade physical science, and 10th grade living environment lab. I came here about 2-3 weeks ago, walked the property. It seemed very diverse, especially for the size of the parcel. And I think it holds great potential for bringing students down here and doing various labs, ranging from life science, physical science, chemistry, earth science, all the way up, physics even as well. I think it provides great potential. There's streams here to do water quality sampling. There's wonderful things here to do tree plots, analyzing ecosystems. Even for at the 7th grade level, just having them go out and almost do a search of what they can find, write down, take notes, analyzing their environment. I think it offers a wonderful opportunity for describing food chains, food webs, predator-prey relationships, and just getting the students better familiar with their local environment.
I hope you enjoy your little visit today. Remember, we're in the Nature Preserve, so let's keep our respect for nature and no littering. And if you see any animals, let them go. They live here too. So I hope you have a good time and learn a lot. My little buddy Nick Baker is around, but he gets a little excited, so it's probably better not to pet him, but he's okay. And I just wanted to welcome you on behalf of Esopus Bend Nature Preserve and wish you well in your explorations of the science and beauty of Esopus Bend. I hope you have a good time.
Thank you. I better put them back on.
Does anybody know what creek this is right here? Which creek will this be? Ryan? Esopus Creek, good. Then it says weather conditions. Let's look, what kind of weather do we have today? We're going to take a water sample in our plastic bags, our Ziploc bags that are in our bags, and you're going to look and see if you see anything with your magnifying glass. Once you have it, you can look really close and see. And then tell me what you see where it says observations and comments.
That's a good sample you got.
Okay, this is all I got.
I don't think you need to have too much.
Okay, this is all I'm
Good.
I know how to do this already. Okay, zip up your bag.
Now, do you see anything in there?
Not finished. Put your water back. Cool, I'm 40.
Very well done, Winston. I'm so proud of you.
Can we come see?
He's identified a very rare species.
I'm gonna treasure this. It's 40 degrees.
After I seal the document,
I'm gonna treasure this water.
I understand. 30 is actually the line below. So that line is 40. So then what is it?
below 40.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's about 40.
Yeah, you can stick it in the water. I got the biggest thing ever. Okay. D. Water temperature. Let's try this out.
Is that right?
Oh, I just reached my hand. Hey, mine's a creek. Let's read a flow. There's a lab bag. Put my knees down. Before it was 44, but now it just decreased.
How fast does this look like it's flowing?
Maybe you didn't do an accurate read the first time.
My hand.
Okay.
There you go. Bill, Bill. Bill. Can I borrow your thermometer? I know, I already got that
Black bear? There's a that's my coat. What are you talking about?
It does look like a snake, especially here.
Get out of here!
Like a boa.
It's a boa! Look at the boa constrictor!
Just like that name. Is that your tree, guys?
Yes.
Oh,
He
you're ready
lost
to...
his rubber band.
Don't worry about the rubber band.
Okay.
Okay? Which, are you using inches or centimeters?
Inches.
Inches?
What is it? I have to write like on a part.
Yeah, well, everybody will have that. It doesn't have to be your best handwriting. It's not like we're in school or anything, right? We're in nature here. 6,
Okay.
7, 8, 9. Here we go.
Okay, can you hold the
Rebecca, did you think of a name? Do you like the name she chose, or do you have an idea for another? There we go.
Get a picture of you with your tree.
Partner first. Name your tree. She's going to be the secretary, Mrs. Wycheck.
Okay.
Rebecca can copy it
However
later.
you have to do it.
If you want to wait and copy it later, that's okay. All right?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought so.
Here.
Well, that'll be a good one. All right, so just maybe flat down.
This one, this side, slip it over here.
Daniel, is your tape measure big enough?
Junior. So you just gotta do this for a second, guys. You just gotta write down. Just stepping on the paper. 23 inches. 23 inches. Whoa. Yeah.
Here, you have to have a beginning point. So you need 6 inches. All right, now you can get that written down in your note-taking sheet.
Odie.
E-I-E, is that how you did it, right? I-E.
Tell me your characteristics.
I-E. Okay, now you have to share.
Yeah, go ahead.